Cats see in light levels 6 times dimmer than humans can perceive. The exact mechanism involves a specialized retinal structure called the tapetum lucidum, which reflects light back through the photoreceptors a second time. This anatomical feature creates the glowing eye phenomenon visible in dark conditions and powers feline night vision. Ron Ofri, professor of veterinary ophthalmology at Hebrew University of Jerusalem, published foundational research on tapetum structure in 2017. His team analyzed the cellular architecture across 23 mammalian species. Cats have one of the most efficient tapetum layers, composed of zinc-protein crystals arranged in 15 to 20 reflective layers. The tapetum lucidum sits directly behind the retina between the photoreceptor cells and the choroid blood vessels. When light enters the eye and passes through the retina, any photons missed by photoreceptors hit the tapetum and reflect back through the retina for a second detection opportunity. This effectively doubles light sensitivity. The chemical composition of the cat tapetum involves zinc, cysteine, and reflectant proteins arranged in microscopic crystal structures. These crystals are organized in precisely spaced layers that create constructive interference at specific wavelengths. The arrangement maximizes reflection of yellow-green light, the spectrum most useful for prey detection. Eyeshine color varies between cat individuals. Most cats show yellow-green eyeshine, but Siamese cats often display red eyeshine due to their genetic lack of complete tapetum development. Some cats show blue or white eyeshine variations. The color reflects the specific tapetum composition in that individual animal. Pupil dilation works alongside the tapetum for low-light vision. Cat pupils can open to 12 mm in dim conditions, compared to 8 mm maximum in humans. The combination of large pupils, dense rod cells, and reflective tapetum creates the dramatic night vision capability that distinguishes cats from humans. Cats cannot see in absolute darkness, contrary to popular belief. Some ambient light source is required for the tapetum reflection mechanism to function. Starlight, moonlight, distant artificial light, or any photon source enables cat night vision. Complete darkness eliminates the cat's visual advantage over humans. The reflective efficiency of the cat tapetum reaches approximately 130% improvement in light sensitivity. This means cats need 47% less light than humans to detect equivalent visual information. The improvement is most pronounced at the 500 to 550 nanometer wavelength range corresponding to dim ambient lighting. Dogs also possess tapetum lucidum but with less efficient design. Canine tapetum uses different crystal arrangements producing lower reflective efficiency. This anatomical difference partially explains why cats hunt successfully at night while dogs typically require some daylight for effective predation behavior. Wild cat species show varied tapetum development. Servals and caracals have the most efficient tapetum structures, supporting their nocturnal hunting strategies. Cheetahs have less efficient tapetum because they primarily hunt during daylight hours, demonstrating evolutionary adaptation to specific predatory niches. The disadvantage of tapetum lucidum is reduced visual acuity. Light reflecting through the retina twice creates slight image blurring. This is why cats see less sharp images than humans during the day. The trade-off favors night vision at the cost of daytime resolution capability. Veterinary photography uses tapetum reflection for fundus examination. Specialized ophthalmoscopes capture the back of the cat eye through the reflective tapetum layer. This examination reveals retinal health, optic nerve condition, and blood vessel patterns important for diagnosing feline eye diseases. Tapetum development begins during embryonic week 5 in kittens. The full reflective structure completes around birth but continues maturing during the first 4 weeks of life. Kittens born without functional tapetum, a rare genetic condition, show severely impaired night vision throughout their lives. Age-related tapetum changes have been documented. Senior cats over 12 years show progressive tapetum degeneration in approximately 15% of cases. This typically causes gradual night vision decline rather than complete loss. The condition is generally not painful and affects cat behavior more than welfare significantly. The motion detection advantage in cats combines with tapetum-enhanced light gathering. Cats can detect prey movement at light levels equivalent to dim starlight. A single mouse moving across a field at night appears clearly visible to a hunting cat, while humans would see only darkness in the same conditions. Some primates including bush babies and lemurs possess Tapetum lucidum. The structure appears independently across multiple mammalian lineages, demonstrating convergent evolution toward nocturnal vision. Each species develops slightly different tapetum compositions optimized for their specific environmental light conditions and prey types. Crocodilians and sharks also have Tapetum lucidum despite different evolutionary backgrounds. Crocodile tapetum uses guanine crystals instead of zinc-cysteine. Shark tapetum can be mechanically extended or retracted, an unusual ability not present in mammalian versions. The biological solution converges across very different animal groups. Photographic flash creates the red eye effect in humans but green or yellow eyeshine in cats. The difference comes from the tapetum reflecting flashlight back through the retina. Photography in low light captures this reflection consistently, creating the distinctive cat eye appearance in flash photographs. The tapetum cellular structure has inspired biomimetic engineering. Solar panel designers have studied cat tapetum architecture to improve light capture efficiency. The crystal arrangements that enhance feline night vision provide engineering models for photovoltaic systems and optical sensor designs. Color discrimination decreases in low light due to rod cell dominance. The tapetum-enhanced vision relies primarily on rod cells, which detect light intensity rather than color. This explains why cats and other nocturnal predators see in shades of gray-blue in dim conditions rather than full color spectrum perception. Veterinary research from 2020 documented that tapetum function correlates with neurological health in cats. Reduced eyeshine intensity can indicate underlying retinal disease, taurine deficiency, or progressive retinal atrophy. Annual veterinary eye examinations include tapetum assessment as part of feline wellness protocols. Specific breed differences in tapetum function exist. White cats with blue eyes have less developed tapetum due to associated genetic conditions affecting pigment development. These cats may have slightly impaired night vision compared to other breeds, though the difference is usually not noticeable to owners. Hunting success at night demonstrates tapetum functional value. Field studies of feral cats document hunting success rates of 32% during nocturnal hunts compared to 21% during daylight. The night advantage stems directly from tapetum-enhanced vision combined with reduced prey vigilance during darker periods. Modern thermal imaging cameras combined with cat night vision research have revealed previously unknown hunting behaviors. Studies show cats use tapetum-enhanced vision to locate prey while their thermal sensitivity helps them maintain awareness of larger animals or humans in the environment. Most owners never realize the glowing eyes their cat displays in the dark represent one of nature's most sophisticated optical systems. The zinc-cysteine crystals reflecting light through your cat's retina enable predatory vision that took millions of years of evolution to perfect for survival in low-light environments. Tomorrow's video covers the science of whisker fatigue and the lesser-known carpal whiskers on cat front legs. Subscribe to discover how these sensory structures work and why they cause specific feeding behaviors most owners misinterpret completely.